2024, top event booking apps like Eventbrite, Meetup, and Ticketmaster boosted the global event app market to $12.81 billion, and it is projected to grow to $48.76 billion by 2034, reflecting an annual growth rate of 14.12%. The numbers clearly highlight the immense potential within the event booking sector, and you can make the most of it by building an event booking app. In this demo video, we'll walk you through the feature-rich AI-powered event booking app and show you exactly how everything works. So let's begin. Once the user opens the app, they can sign up or log in with their email. There is also the option of logging in with Google and Apple. Existing users can sign in with their email and password. New users need to create an account by entering their name, email, and password and tapping on the sign up button. In case the user forgets the password, they can reset it using the email and phone number and tapping on the continue button. The user has to enter the verification codes sent to the phone and email. The next step is to create a new password and hit the reset password button. Once that is done, the user has to enter a few details and answer a few questions like their name, date of birth, gender, the preferred distance of event location, the type of event they want to join, favorite music genre, artist, and playlists. That is followed by choosing their favorite activities from the options that appear. Tapping on next will take the user to the home screen that has a search bar to search for events with the list of popular upcoming events and suggestions. For support, users can start a conversation with the chatbot and share their current mood so that the chatbot can provide event suggestions accordingly. The notification icon on the top right of the home screen has the reminders of the upcoming events the user has booked tickets for. Tapping on any of the events on the home screen opens the event detail and enables the user to select the date and purchase the ticket. Tapping on the buy ticket button will take the user to the next screen where they can select the seats of their choice from the VIP packages and the other sections in the seating plan. After adding the total ticket count, the users can tap on buy ticket. The app has an intuitive and visually engaging mood selector that greets the user with the prompt, "How are you feeling this day?" along with a friendly animated dial featuring expressive emojis representing different moods: happy, great, okay, sad, and stressed. Each emotion is clearly labeled along with the current time and date to contextualize the user's mood for personalized suggestions using AI. Once the user selects their current mood, the app instantly adapts its recommendations to match the user's current emotional state. This is possible with the help of intelligent recommendation algorithms. As you can see, there are relevant event suggestions for each mood. The user can pick an event of their choice and tap on the continue button. The app's smart search engine enables users to search for events from the different categories available, ranging from comedy shows to sports events. To further refine results, the app offers a robust filtering system accessible via an elegant pop-up. The user can customize their search with filters like date to choose specific days or ranges from this weekend to any custom date, language to select from multiple languages including English, French, Spanish, and more, perfect for finding culturally specific events, category to filter by event types, beautifully illustrated category icons enhance usability, price range to set budget limits, enabling users to find events that fit their wallet, artist and venue to pick preferred artists or venue locations, ensuring every detail matches the user's preferences. There are dynamic and interactive maps to guide users with the distance and estimated travel time from their current location to the event venue. Let's move on to the event detail and booking process. In the event detail screen, the user gets an in-depth overview of the event selected by them. There's a catchy header image that conveys the event's atmosphere with the event title clearly displayed. This is followed by the crucial information such as date, time, venue details, artist details, and a compelling description that highlights the event's unique selling points. The user can select the date and view the cost and the number of tickets available for each tier. At the very bottom, there's a clear call to action: buy ticket. Upon tapping it, the user lands on a new interface where they can pick a date and select the type of ticket they want. They can select the quantity of tickets needed and hit the proceed button. The users can now see a summary of the chosen tickets, quantities, and the subtotal. They can get the tickets delivered to the desired location by entering the address details. Tapping on Proceed to Pay will take the user to the add-ons on screen. This allows users to enhance their event experience with additional purchases, such as beverages. Upon reaching the Confirm Booking screen, the user can see a complete breakdown of their order, tickets, add-ons, and the grand total. After a final review, the user can complete their transactions with their preferred payment method. Tapping on Continue takes the user to the vibrant, celebratory screen that confirms the successful booking. The user is free to like an event and find it later. They can receive notifications before all tickets are sold out. They can save events they like and find them in favorites. Let's move to the My Ticket section. It is segmented into upcoming and past events, making it incredibly easy for users to manage their future plans and relive past experiences. Each card concisely displays the event name, day, time, and how many tickets you purchased. Tapping on Battles of Dance Party 20s takes the user to the detailed My Ticket view for that specific event. Notice the Download Ticket button. This is a critical feature offering flexibility. Users can download their ticket to their device, ensuring access even without an internet connection. Tapping on the Download Ticket button will reveal the QR code screen. Using the scannable QR code, the user can make a quick and efficient entry to the event. In the Profile section, there is the name of the user, email, count of liked events, tickets purchased, and the people they follow. There is the option to enable editing personal details, selecting a language and the interest. Tapping on Edit Personal Information will take the user to the Edit Profile screen. This is where users can effortlessly update their details, including username, email, and password. Tapping on Select Language will enable the user to select a language of their choice. The app gives users the opportunity to create an AI image of themselves with an artist. All that users need to do is choose an artist and upload their photo. Once the image is ready, it can be downloaded. As you can see, every step of the event booking process is carefully crafted for the best user experience, security, and ultimately conversion. If you want to build a similar event booking app, reach out to us, and we at Idea Usher will help you with it. From enterprise software to next-gen blockchain applications, our team having 10+ years of experience delivers scalable and robust solutions to help businesses succeed. We have 1,000+ happy clients, including leading global brands like Gold's Gym, Mogo, EQL, and BuzzTime. Connect with us to discuss your app requirements.